Hi, today I'm making a very easy cookie or actually truffle recipe. It has Oreo cookies, cream cheese, as well as semi-sweet chocolate. So with those three, we're going to begin with a whole package of Oreos, and we're going to place those into a blender and blend them until they are very fine. It should look like dirt, actually. And then you're going to take your softened cream cheese and add that to the crushed cookie mixture and just stir that until it's completely combined. And once it's combined, you're going to roll them into very small balls like this, right? Just little, I want to say maybe half-inch balls. And then from there, you're going to create the chocolate glaze. And so it's 2/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of butter. And you're going to microwave that for 1 minute. Normally, I use a double boiler, but I was making these for a quick dessert. Next, you're going to dip the truffle into the chocolate mixture and, just roll it around and lift it out and place it on parchment paper. You can add sparkling sugar to the top of the truffle, and then you're going to refrigerate this for a minimum of at least 15 minutes. I find that it's better in the refrigerator overnight, and it makes a wonderful little soft chocolate dessert, and it's very simple to make.